An interesting take on wireless follow focus systems. I already own a system, but this one is different. This Nucleus Nano II, well, they found a clever way to make it stand out from the crowd. You cannot miss it, just look at it. And although it has a lot to offer, there are a few things that make this Nano II not for everyone. Hello there, it's been a while. I've been away for quite some time now, and I will not explain why, because that's life. I had a lot on my plate, both professionally and personally, and I'm finally seeing the end of that tunnel. So that's why I'm here, that's why I'm back on YouTube and on the blog. You've seen me use another popular affordable system on this channel. I like my wireless system to be straightforward and easy to use. In a few simple words, I want to plug it and play with it right away. The Nucleus Nano II doesn't fail in that department, as it is easy to use straight out of the box. And this is what's included. Now let's talk about the one thing that makes this different from other systems. It's that big touchscreen that makes any adjustment an easy process. It's clear, simple to understand, responsive, and overall solid. I can see this being used on small indie budget films and any small projects by a focus puller. You can set multiple hard stops, the handle will vibrate when you reach them. This big screen becomes even more useful if you are using multiple motors, one for the iris, one for the zoom, and one for focus. Unfortunately for me, I only have one motor, and this is where the Nano II might not be for you, might not be for me. Other solutions out there do not require any cabling, any cables to power the motors, and instead, they rely on batteries. This makes your setup clean and minimalistic. You may not need such a big screen or big wheel. If you only need one motor for focus when operating alone, then you might look away from this. In my opinion, there are two scenarios where this system will obviously shine. The first one is if you are planning on using at least two motors, and if you own a compatible camera. And I even will go a little bit further. If you are a DJI RS2 or RS3 user, then this system is made for you. Today, early October 2023, a few Blackmagic cinema cameras, Canon and Sony cameras are compatible with this system. You will then have access to the run-stop option, control over ISO, shutter speed, aperture, and more if you own a compatible camera. Unfortunately for me, I no longer own any Canon cameras. I'm only working with Fujifilm gear. I hope an update will come in the near future for the X-H2S, and why not for the just released GFX 100 II. As for the DJI gimbal, well, same thing. It was designed for it. So if you are a Zhiyun, I don't know how to pronounce this, gimbal owner, and I am currently using the Crane 4, then unfortunately you won't be able to use all the advanced options. So this is where it becomes an easy choice. Based on the gear you already own or plan on using, you will know if this system is made for you or not. If unfortunately you are a Fujifilm user like me, then let's hope that there is a firmware update in the works right now. If you love using zoom lenses, this system can be for you if you invest in multiple motors. Other than that, I've been using TILTA gear for some time now, and this Nucleus Nano II doesn't disappoint as it is very well built. If I change my cameras, who knows, or if a future update magically appears, then I will make a follow-up video. If you already had the chance to play with it, please share your experience with us in the comments below. And if you believe there are other systems out there that are worth mentioning, feel free to do so. And yeah, I'm back. I said it earlier, I'm back on YouTube and on the blog. Next video will be this Sunday and of course next week. So I guess that I will catch you in the next one. Take care, and until then, please have a good night.